Every driver has expenses associated with operating a truck, from the purchase price and maintenance to insurance and load rates. Today we want to focus on one that you can greatly influence: fuel economy. There are four main factors influencing fuel economy: the driver, the vehicle, how the engine and powertrain are spec'd, and the environment the vehicle operates in. How to get the most out of your engine is an important part of professional driving. And driving a Detroit is something special. Before beginning your trip, you should always perform a pre-trip inspection. It begins with maintenance. Maintenance issues that you notice and how you handle them can make a big difference in performance out on the road. Start with a thorough underhood inspection, making sure the engine's had time to cool sufficiently. Always be sure your engine is in good shape and road-ready before starting your trip. First, check the area around and under the vehicle for obvious signs of fluid leaks. Check harnesses to make sure none are cracked or damaged. Check the oil level before starting the engine, making sure the vehicle is on a level surface. Inspect all hose connections to be sure that there are no cracks or oil or fluid leaks. Make sure to check that the coolant reservoir tank is full. The engine-mounted fuel filter includes a water-in fuel indicator light. This yellow lamp located on the instrument panel will illuminate when the fuel-water separator has reached its capacity and needs to be drained. If the truck is equipped with a frame-mounted fuel filter and the bulb is full of fuel, make sure to get your filter changed. Make sure to check your serpentine belt that drives the front-mounted water pump, alternator, and AC compressor. Your belt is self-tensioned, but observe any cracks, stress, or wear patterns in your inspection. The AC compressor is designed with a breakaway clutch, so if it does seize up, the belt drive system will continue to operate the alternator and water pump. Finally, check the exhaust manifold area, EGR components, and exhaust flex pipe connection for leaks. The EGR delivery pipe will be hot when the engine is running and after shutdown. Remember, do not use it for a grab handle. A black soot residue anywhere could be a sign of a leak. Also note in your walk around that 2011 and newer model trucks are equipped with a diesel exhaust fluid or DEF tank. Heated for cold ambient conditions. Typically mounted on the driver's side to the rear of the cab access steps or behind the battery box access door, you will note the blue fill cap, only to be filled with DEF found at truck stops in 2.5-gallon containers or at the fuel island pump. Marked diesel exhaust fluid with a nozzle small enough to fit into the tank filler neck. Now let's look at some other factors that you can control to improve your fuel economy. Inspect your trailer gap. It's recommended to keep it at 48 inches from back of cab to front of trailer. Inspect your tires. As your new tires wear, you should see improved fuel economy. Be sure to inspect them for every trip and keep them inflated to the manufacturer's specifications. Improperly inflated tires decrease fuel economy. The engine and powertrain are spec'd when the truck is purchased, but there are many parameters that can be set in your Detroit electronic control module to ensure that they're properly set to get the best fuel economy. Reference the DDEX section of this training video for an explanation of these tools. Before you're ready to hit the road, consider that route planning and management are important in achieving your fuel economy goals. Ambient temperature is also an important factor. A 10-degree Fahrenheit increase can result in 2% better fuel economy. Winter weather can lead to decreased fuel economy due to winter fuel, longer warm-up and increased idling time, and more rolling resistance from moisture and wind. In summer weather, be cautious of the effects of air conditioning and cooling systems on fuel economy performance. Whether you're driving a manual or an automatic, in the city or on the highway, knowing your engine and how it operates will make you a safer driver. And driving safely will improve your fuel economy and keep your vehicle on the road with less downtime. To recap, perform your pre-trip engine inspection, make sure you understand engine performance characteristics, plan your route, and use the engine parameters to your advantage.